many, leaves are food. Black fly get what they need by stabbing their needle-like mouth parts into the veins of leaves and stems and extracting the sap. They don't even need to suck. The pressure inside the plant is enough to squirt the sap into their stomachs. Mealybugs are also sap drinkers. They produce a waxy powder from their skin, which most predators dislike, so that they're able to drink unmolested out in the open. Snails rip through the vegetation, rasping off mouthfuls with a long, file-like tongue. A single snail can consume a fifth of the weight of its body, shell and all, in a single day. So insects and other small creatures, some helpful, some harmful, flourish through the summer. This is the time when most of them reproduce, and they do so with staggering speed. Female aphids mate and lay eggs like other insects, but they also produce clones, babies that hatch from unfertilized eggs. And the clones themselves, even before they leave the female's body, are already pregnant with other clones.